Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss onto function and into function. What is onto function and into function? So see here, onto function definition. A function f a to b. Function f a to b is said to be an onto function or surjection if every elements of b is the f image of some elements of a, that is f a equal to b, or range of f is the codomain of f. So see here, f a to b. So suppose this is a set a and this is the set b. Set A contains the elements x1, x2, x3 and x4. So this is your domain. This is your domain. And set B is containing the elements y1, y2, y3. Okay. So see here, x1 and x2. So both elements image is y1. So x3 image is y2, x4 image is y3. So see here, each and every elements of a codomain, each and every elements of a codomain have a pre-image in set A. So there is no element is left in set B. There is no element is left in B. Then it is called a onto function. So see here, the onto function, see here, the codomain of set B is equal to here is equal to range of f. So that's why range of f, see here, range of f is the codomain, because each and every elements of set B have the pre-image in set B. So codomain is equal to the range of f, such that f a equal to b. See, f a to b is a surjection. Other name is known as surjection or onto function. Both are same. So x1, x2, x3, this is your domain and this is your here range in onto function. Now I am discussing here into function. See here, a function f a to b is an into function if there exists an element in b, in set b. Here this is the set b and this is set a. Set a have x1, x2, x3, x4, and here y set b is containing the elements y1, y2, y3, y4. So see here, y x1 image is y1, x2 image is y1, x3 image is y2, and here x4 image is y3, and one element is left in set B, means in a codomain. Codomain, and this is your domain. This is your domain. So in a codomain, one element is left. So that's why this one is called your into function. Here function f is called into function. Clear? Here into function means, in another words, you can say f a to b as into function if it is not an onto function. If it is not a onto function, then we can say that it is an into function. See here, the difference between onto and into. In onto, each and every element of the set B have a pre-image in set A. So that's why this one is called onto function. And here in set B, one element is left, y4 here. Y4's pre-image is not in set A, means in a domain. So that's why this function is called into function. Now I am going to discuss bijection, means 1 onto function, 1 and onto function. 1 1 and onto function. A function f a to b. Here this is set A and this is set B. F a to b. F is your, here f is a function, a to b. A is your domain and b is your codomain. Is a bijection. Another name of on 1 1 onto function is known as bijection. Okay, this is your bijection. If it is 1 1, it should be a 1 1 function and onto function, then we can say that it is a bijection. So see here. So in other words, a function f a to b is a bijection if it is, first of all, we can show that it is a 1 1 function. For 1 1 function, we have to take, suppose fx equal to fy, it implies x equal to y. Then we can say that this is a 1 1 function. You can take here fx1 is not equal to fx2 and implies x1 is not equal to x2, then also it is known as a 1 1 function. So here I took only fx equal to fy, it implies x equal to y, then we can say that it is a 1 1 function. Onto functions here in the set A1 have image is B3, A2 image is B1, A3 image is B4, A4 image is B2. So it means each and every element here set A have the image in set B. Okay, so there is no element is left in set B and there is only 1 1 correspondence is there. So that's why this one is called a 1 1 function. Now see here onto function. For all y belongs to B, see here this is your B, set B. In a set B, all the elements here have the pre-image in set A. There is no elements left in the set B. There is no element left in set B. So that's why this one is also a onto function. And this is here the codomain, and this is your domain. This is your domain. So here this is your range. So it means range of set B is equal to here codomain, is equal to codomain. So that's why this one is a onto function. So this function is 1 1 as well as onto function. So that's why this function is known as bijection or 1 1 onto function. Now here we have to prove that function f q to q, where q is a rational number, given by fx is equal to 2x minus 3. This is the function is given fx is equal to 2x plus 3. For all x belongs to q is a bijection. So it means for bijection we have to prove that 1 1 and onto function. It means surjection or injection or injective. You can say that injective. So 1 1 function. So see here, first I am here taking the 1 1 function. How you will solve? See here, you have to prove first of all 1 1 function. You have to prove 1 1 function. Okay, so for 1 1 function, let x y belongs to q. Let x y be any arbitrary element belongs to q. Any arbitrary elements of q. x and y, let x and y be any arbitrary elements of Q. So fx we are taking, fx is equal to fy. So okay, so fx is your here 2x minus 3. So fy will become here 2y minus 3. So here minus 3 and plus 3 is cancelled. So it means 2x is equal to 2y. Now 2 and 2 is cancelled. Here 2 and 2 is cancelled. It means x is equal to y. X is equal to y. It means fx is equal to fy. Fx is equal to fy implies x equal to y. It means every elements of, so we can say that f is 1 1. F is a 1 1 function. Now we already proved f is a 1 1 function. Now we have to prove that it is a onto function. So onto function, we have to prove now onto function. Onto function. Onto function. For onto function, suppose here we have to take any arbitrary elements of from the, this is your set A and this is set B. This is your codomain, and here this is your domain. So from domain we took, and here codomain we took y be any arbitrary elements. Let y, here the function is q to q. Function is q to q. Function f is q to q. So let y belongs to q. Here q is codomain. Okay. So y belongs to q, where q is here codomain. Now we have to prove that this is a onto function. So for this we have to take here fx is equal to y. Now this value we can find out in terms of x. Here you have to find out the value of x in terms of y. So fx is equal to 2x minus 3 is equal to y. Now we have to find out the value of x. So 2x is equal to y plus 3. So it implies x is equal to y plus 3 by 2. Now see here, x is equal to y plus 3 by 2, and here y belongs to q, means codomain. So you can take where q is a rational number. You put here any rational number, you will get here x will be also a rational number. You can take any rational number. So here rational number, any rational number plus 3 divided by 2, you will get a rational number. It means x belongs to q. So any arbitrary elements we are taking from the codomain y, here codomain. So we are getting an elements in q which belongs to domain q. So x is equal to q, here q is a domain. Okay. Now here fx is equal to, we can write here f What is x? X is y plus 3. Y plus 3 divided by 2. Now is equal to, here y plus 3 put in the given function. Fx is equal to 2x minus 3. So fy plus 3 divided by 2 put in place of x. So you will get here 2 into in place of x. If you put here y plus 3 divided by 2 minus 3. So these 2 and these 2 is cancel. So you will get y plus 3 minus 3. So this 3 and 3 is cancel, equal to y. It means fx is equal to y we got. So it means f, the given function, is a onto function. That here fx is equal to y. It means every element in codomain, that is every element of a codomain of a codomain, that is every element of a codomain. See here, we have taken y and this is q to q, and the function is here f, here x. So every element of a codomain, see this is your codomain and this is your domain. So that is every element of a codomain have a pre-image in Q, that is domain. Hence F Q to Q is a bijection. Hence F Q to Q is a bijection.